yeah, me full of key like locksmith. Bag a gal, yeah, me get my balls and me cock lick. Big up me city girls, Vicky them, Chrissy them, pretty them, titty.
Yo, nation, we're going to support AJ back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the video. Nation, when we say dancehall get hot, we mean dancehall get hot again. No, nation, since Vybz Kartel come from jail, we can see where the dancehall scene turned up. This is a good look for the culture. This is a good look for dancehall. No, nation, we can see where popular DJ Nico Fire thanks Vybz Kartel for helping him earn 20k. I mean, the early comment where Nico Fire suggests Vybz Kartel shouldn't compare himself to Masicka. Let me know in the comment box what you guys think about this. Let's take a listen.
Yo, me nah lie, it's a Vybz Kartel. Yo, the man music no normal, brother. Me say me I play one private event and me I tell you say 2:59. Me make sure look for my watch and look for 2:59. They say 3 o'clock. Me go play one Vybz Kartel we say 3 o'clock in the morning. Yo, the people them nearly mash up your house. The people them nearly mash up your house. Me charge the promoter 90,000. And him pay me before me reach. Cause you know when you book me cover, you have to pay a deposit for secure date. So if I charge him 90, him send me 45 in my account. And when I reach at the event, before I start playing, you have to give me the rest of the money. And him transfer 45 to me. So him pay me the 90 grand. When me I left, the man give me 20 grand more. That is when you have talent. Me say 2:59. As it touch 3 o'clock, I go play the Kartel. 3 o'clock in the morning. Whoa, me say yo, yo, me I tell you say yo, Adi, big up yourself, you know. And you make me get that 20 grand, yeah. So big up yourself, Kartel, big up.
Nation, let me know in the comment box what you guys think about what Nico Fire saying, because I can completely agree with Nico Fire on some of the things he's saying. Because since Vybz Kartel released from jail, we can see a lot of artists and a lot of vloggers making more money, and in a sense we a lot of conversation people having, just like Mr. Vegas and Ricky Chupa, the conversation that they're having right now. No, nation, we can see where Madsus had a recent interaction with the police where he has seen being taken into a service unit vehicle from a mansion. I really don't know what's the issue with Madsus and the police, but I hope everything is good, because this is not a good look for Madsus. It's been like an here now since Madsus been released from jail. Him and Vybz Kartel. Speaking of Vybz Kartel, fans react to Vybz Kartel and his baby mother Sherika TikTok video. Nation, let's take a listen.
Ain't making no sense. The feds are going to be on you like
I don't give a fuck who's coming for me. The feds, Trident, Navy SEALs, the fucking army. I don't care.
Nation, fans question the whereabouts of Sidem after Vybz Kartel baby mother Sherika appeared in TikTok video with him, implying she was with him in America. Now all of the people in dance are the fans saying that where is Sidem and how Vybz Kartel have so much time to spend.
Got my spliff up in my head. I know me normal again, normal again, normal again, normal again.
Nation, the video featuring the official audio for Vybz Kartel's song Normal Again. Nation, now we can see where Worldwag facing a lot of backlash from social media. State that Worldwag doesn't like black women. The new baby mother responded by saying, well, he seems to be dipping in this chocolate every day, implying that his preference for darker skinned woman, country drink Yannick, claimed.
This is no, let me go suck no matter. I don't never link me to see what I want. I don't never link me and say you're good, but you not link me. Oh, I say you're bad, boy, you're bad, and boy, you're gonna do it again. I'll pick me. Go suck your mouth. I don't pick me for the blood clot way. And all of me, I did Yannick did there. Me and Yannick married, and blood clot have every business in the world. And me have another pick for the world. Me now put blood clot woman front, and none of me pick them. So if me did have a girl out there pregnant, me now let me blood clot pick me around for suffer again. Because guess what? God bless me so much and elevate me so much. For there, so dog, I do some little foul shit. Real shit, bro. But I have to step and say, dog, Yannick, come and do it already. Me do it already when God beat me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get a beautiful little girl when you're Akila.
Ivany comment on the situation, criticizing the act of bringing down another woman and making comparison.
No say Worlddwag and Yannick there. Remember, I know, I don't really know them. I see them on the internet, I know say I'm baby mother. Anything where man tell me I work with, you know. If a man tell me say I'm single and I'm baby mother, that yes, if obviously them have to talk, they have to link because of the baby. Pampers have to buy, money have to give, so definitely them have to communicate. So if a man go look for me and tell me say him and him baby mother is not together no more, him single. Me I believe what the man say. Who is me if I go find the baby mother page and text her and ask her for true? So me go and believe. And then me got there with him now, not knowing say I lie, the motherfucker tell me, and when I look me a woman in a passa, I don't wrong blood clot Yannick for come out, come. Let me tell you something. You see, when a man like Worldwag treat him woman so good, listen where me I come from. When a man like Worldwag treat him woman so good, yeah? Defend her to the ground when walk pan, nobody can diss Yannick. I make the whole entire world know about her and know say she my baby mother, she my wife. Live with her every day, I do them and them. She have all right for come live, come turn on live and defend herself and say what she want to say. I better your man defend you to the ground and everybody knows say Yannick I'm woman and you can click your live and stand up firm and say my man that. And you know, like black woman, you know, like white woman, whatever Worldwag want tell she, no matter what, it no matter if a true or a lie, the fact that him stand up for him woman and nobody can diss him and him defend him woman to the ground, she have all right to come talk how she feel. Some of the man not even a own upon WhatsApp, much less on TikTok or Instagram. And people like uno feel lock phone out and make embarrassment go on the internet. Cause man now own in a real life. So load the girl and my man own.
Now nation, let me know in the comment box what you guys think about what Ivany is saying. Now we can say where Swisslee birthday bash at the National Stadium was a good look for the TikToker. Nation, this is a good look for TikTokers and the TikTok community. The event showcased the impressive drawing power of TikTokers, included the likes of Rosaleee and some other dancehall big artists such as Craft, Skeng and others. Nation, let's take a listen.
I say no. Boy, I'm up to me now. Alright, watch out. Slingshot, they know it. Slingshot, one. Slingshot, boy. Slingshot, boy. Slingshot, boy. Slingshot. And if I come, me selector, play the selection. And mercy for the can, they make up cards. I think I'm gonna say, so what flames? So what flames? Hey, pick up on yourself. Are you ready for the artist? Me and lock off the rain, me and dance that on the bumbo class. Fuck it up, brother. And the mother's bumbo class.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it is me I say. Me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time guys. Yo.
Yo, Eastside.